Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken gravy. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: chicken drippings, all-purpose flour, and chicken broth. Start by heating the drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. This forms the foundation of your gravy. Next, we'll create a roux, which is crucial for thickening. Remember, a good gravy starts with good drippings. Now let's make the roux. Whisk 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into 2 tablespoons of your hot chicken drippings. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. You want it to turn a light golden brown. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste and creates a nutty flavor, which is essential for a truly delicious gravy. Don't rush this step. Once your roux is ready, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of warm chicken broth, a little at a time, to prevent lumps. Continue whisking until the gravy is smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Remember to stir frequently to avoid sticking and ensure even cooking. Finally, taste your gravy and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch more salt or freshly ground black pepper. If you prefer an extra smooth gravy, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your homemade chicken gravy warm over mashed potatoes, roasted chicken, or anything else that needs a delicious boost. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.